live to share with you the very important information, that is, like, we are thinking AI is taking over jobs, right? But in future it might take more jobs. So we are so worried about it, especially for the students who are in the college or who are at the early career stage. They are just thinking, once I will completed my degree, then which job I will get, right? They are thinking about that. But I am going to share with you today the top career safe AI fields and their essential skills. So if you are at a learning stage, or you are doing the graduation, or you are at a early career stage, you can focus on these skills from the start level. And let's say, for example, if you are going to finish up your degree in a 1 year, 2 year, or maybe 3 years, right? And you are thinking in which kind, or at what position I can join the job, right? So on what skills should I focus more instead of just focusing on the normal skills? So this live session is going to be very, very useful for you. Okay. So now let's like we will say here, I would like to say more about it. Like, while AI is indeed reshaping the job market, several career fields remain essential and safe. Okay, in the age of AI, even you are you have you complete you will complete your degree after 5 years. Even then, these jobs are safe with AI is like the demand of AI is increasing very high, right? Even then, these roles are not going anywhere actually. So these roles which I am going to discuss with you today, that is focus more on the human expertise, creativity, and specialized skills, because even we are using the AI tools and everything, but there are some skills which can never be replaced by AI because it's very tough, right? Areas where AI act as a tool, not a replacement. So let's start with the very first position, that is about your AI ethics and policy. If you have an interest in like AI ethics and policy, this is a crucial as a AI technology continue to grow. This is very important. Okay, because when you are you are fetching the data from somewhere, right? You are working on the data. You are working as a data scientist. You are working as a research developer, right? And a research scientist. So you should know about it. You should know about the AI ethics and policies, which is the most important part of our AI. So professional in this field ensure that AI systems are developed responsibly and ethically. Even like your we say, if AI, we are using AI as an automation, right? To check all these things. Still, they need a human intelligence there to build the system like this, who can understand the AI ethics and policy, which is not possible right now, or even in an upcoming 4 or 5 years using the AI. Okay, we can make the machine very intelligent, but it cannot replace the human intelligence at a deeper level, right? We need very, very like we need the emotional touch too, and we need to understand the things at a deeper level too. So this is the most safest position in AI today as well, and in future too. Okay. The essential skills for this, if you are interested in this position, then you can focus on the ethical frameworks. In this, you should have the understanding the fairness, transparency, and bias mitigation in AI system. And the second essential skill is regulatory your knowledge. Familiar with the data privacy law and AI regulation. What is that? That is your GDPR and CCPA. And the next one is essential skill for this position is your philosophical and social understanding, assessing the social impact of AI and how it impacts the community. And apart from this, you should have the like a good communication skills. You should be good in a risk management too. Okay, The second safest position today and in future too is your AI research and development. If you have an interest in the AI research or development, then this is the very good job for like the position for you today as well, or in upcoming years as well. If you are thinking to transit your career in AI, either you are doing at this time the non-technical or technical degree, then this is the most safest job position in AI. So in this, what you do, you will work on the AI and research development with the immense growth potential, especially as the new AI technologies emerge. Okay, so researchers innovate new ways to solve the complex problem with the AI. The essential skill for this, if you have the advanced mathematical knowledge, then this is excellent for you because you need it for the research and development. You should have the deep understanding of your linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. The next one is your machine learning and deep learning. If you want to learn about it like the and you want to join this position, you should have the knowledge about the your deep learning and machine learning. You should expert in neural network, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement machine learning, and the programming you can choose according to your choice. Actually, it's not mandatory you need to be master in everything. If you want, proficiency in Python is sufficient. Apart from this, you should have the knowledge about the TensorFlow, PyTorch, or other like the AI tools. The next one is your the next safest position is AI implementation and integration. In this, AI implementation specialists focus on integrating AI solution into the existing system. Let's say even if the companies are using the AI tool to build the systems, right? But you are the one who is going to like give the solutions to the existing system. You are going to make sure they are working seamlessly in the real world environment. Okay, so this is the also the most safest job position in AI today and in upcoming years too. So the essential skill for this one is your system integration. So you can, what does it mean? So you should have the knowledge to integrating the AI into the existing IT infrastructures. Project management, right? Managing the timelines, resources, AI implementation process. The next skill you can have the cloud computing. You can do the like the mastery in AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, whatever you like. You can pick up the one of the cloud computing platform. You don't need to be the master in all. The next one is your API development. Okay, so you should create the APIs to expose AI models and services. And the next skill it is important here is your problem solving. Okay, so now we will talk about the next most interesting and safest position, that is your data science and analytics. This is the most common position, right? You might heard it many times. Whenever you are thinking to transit your career into AI, you heard about it, right? Data analyst, data scientist, and so on. So data science continues to be one of the most essential role in AI landscape. So data scientists analyze, drive the actionable insights from the data, right? So this is the most safest like the job for you. For this, the essential skills are your data analysis, machine learning, statistical analysis, programming, and data visualization. The next position is AI powered healthcare and life sciences. This is also very, very popular and safest AI position. So this is like the position when AI is transforming the healthcare by assisting in diagnosis, treatment, okay, and research. So the healthcare sector needs a skilled professional to harness the potential of AI for better patient outcome. So the essential skill for this one is you need bioinformatics, healthcare knowledge, and medical data analysis. Apart from this, machine learning and data security too. So these were the top 5 most safest job positions, even like the you are going to complete your graduation or degree in upcoming 3 or 2 years. So you can focus on these skills and you can choose any of the position out of this, so you can land your first job in AI. And thank you so much for this live session. See you in the next session.